Welcome again to our 9th class. In today's class, we will take worksheet 4.2. In worksheet 4.2, first question is, which option is true and why? This is the linear equation in two variables. Now we have to see out of these three which option is right, and you have to give the reason. Suppose that if I will take the x value as any integer, let it be 1. If I will take its value as 1, then what will be the answer? 3 into 1 plus 5. So it will become 8. Therefore, the value of y will become 8. Now, suppose that if I will take x value as -1, then it will become 3 into -1 means -3 plus 5. So its answer will be 2. In the first case, its answer was 8. Now the answer is coming as 2. The value of y is changing over here. Now same way, if you will put any value of x, the value of y will get changed, isn't it? So tell me, unique solution. Unique solution means only one solution. Only one solution. This is only two solution and then infinite many solution. So which one will be the right option? अगर आपने x की value put की, then the value of y will get changed. So you are getting so many answers over here. So it means the option third, that is infinite many solution, is the right option. Now the reason क्या होगा इसके पीछे? What will be the reason for infinite many solution? Its reason will be the value of y will get changed by changing the value of x, isn't it? अगर हमने x की value change की तो y value will get changed. So it means that we are getting infinite many solution. Now question 2 is very important as the graph exercise when it comes. So you need the concept of the question number 2 for that. Okay, so for plotting the linear equation in the graph, you need the concept of this question number 2. Let's see. Question is write 4 solution. So you have to write the 4 solution. We will try it verbally. जितना possible है. So to find out 4 solutions. So what will you do? You will make one block. Since the variables are x and y, so you will write here variable as x and y. Now you will make 4 blocks. Okay, since they are asking about the 4 solutions, so we will make 4 blocks. अब आप क्या करेंगे? Take the value of x, any value, positive or negative, any integer you can take it. You can take the 0 value also, including 0. So take any value of x and find out the value of y then. Try to do it verbally as much as you can. Okay, so take any value of x. Take it as 0. X value is 0. So solve it verbally. 2 into 0, 0 plus y equals 7. So what value of y will get? 7. Okay, so this is the one solution. Now take x value as 1. 1, 2 into 1, 2. Shift it on the other side. 7 minus 2 will become 5. Okay, now take it -1. So take x as -1. You can take any value, any integer including 0. -1. So again shifting it. Minus will become plus. So it will become 9. Now you can take any other value. Let it be 2. X value as 2. So 2 into 2, 4. Shift it over here. You will get the value of y as 3. But it's not necessary that always you have to put the value of variable x first. Okay, it's not necessary. You can put the variable value of y also yourself, and then you can find out the value of x. It's on you. Whatever be the simplest way, accordingly you can do it. Come to this one, second part. In second part, observe, again we will mark it as xy. Okay, now again 4 columns. Take any value, आप पर डिपेंड करता है. I am taking x value as 0. X value as 0. So pi into 0 is 0. So y will become 9. Okay. Now take x value as -1. X as -1. Verbally करने की कोशिश कीजिए. -1. So it will become minus pi. Shift it on the other side. It will become plus pi. So y value will be 9 plus pi. Don't convert the value of y as pi as 22/7. Keep it as it is. Now take it 1. So pi आ जाएगा. Shift it on the other side. You will get 9 minus pi. What else you want to take it? Now take it 2. If you want, you can take it -2 also. Any integer including 0. So 2. So it will become 2 pi. तो y वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी? y इक्वल 9 और ये 2 पाई इधर जाकर शिफ्ट हो जाएगा, -2 पाई हो जाएगा. सो इट विल बिकम 9 minus 2 पाई. Like this you can find out infinite many solution as we have done it over here in question 1. Okay, now third part. Let's see the third part. आप किसी की भी वेरिएबल की वैल्यू डाल सकते हैं. Okay. Now in third part, I am taking the y value here because y value डालने से आपका x value बहुत आसान से निकल जाएगा. So I am taking y as 0. As I have told it, x और y किसी भी वेरिएबल की वैल्यू आप अपने आप डाल सकते हैं. y as 0, so 4 into 0, 0. So x will be 0. Take it y as 1. So 4 into y की जगह 1 रखेंगे. 4 into 1, 4. So x value is 4. Take it -1. Y value I have taken it. In these two, I have taken x variable myself. Now in third part, I have taken the y variable myself. Because उससे मेरा ये solve करना आसान हो रहा है. So -1. 4 into -1, -4. अब आप क्या लेना चाहेंगे? Take it -2. Y as -2, 4 into -2, -8. So like this you can find out infinite solution, and it's not necessary that all the students will get same answer. It depends upon the value which you have taken it. Accordingly you will get the answer over here. Question third is check whether these are the solution of this linear equation or not. Solution है या नहीं? So how we will do it? हमने ये in the graph we did it for the coordinate. This value is always x and this is y. ठीक है? So in this equation we will put in LHS. On the LHS side, we will put x and y value and we will see whether it is equals to 4 or not. X, instead of x, 0 minus 2 y. Y is 2. Let's see. So the answer which you are getting it, -2. And what, -4. So what is RHS? RHS is 4. So both the things are not equal. This implies LHS not equal RHS. So what does it mean? Whether it is a solution of linear equation or not. Therefore, 0, 2 is not a solution of linear equation. Okay. Now we will take the third part. 4 0 पुट करके देखते हैं इन द गिवन लीनियर इक्वेशन. टेक LHS. दिस इज x एंड दिस इज y. x की जगह 4 डालेंगे, 4 माइनस 2 इंटू y वैल्यू 0. Solve it. 4 minus 0, that is 4. And RHS. RHS is also 4. So both of them are equal. Therefore, LHS equal RHS. This implies 4 0 is a solution of linear equation x minus 2y equal 4. Clear? Fourth part. All the parts you have to do it in same way. So again this is x and this is y. तो हम ये वैल्यू LHS में पुट करने की कोशिश करेंगे. Let's see LHS. This is the LHS. X minus 2y. So root 2x minus 2 into y. 4 root 2. So it will become 2 minus 8 root 2. इन दोनों को कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे? Root 2 are the like terms, so it will, and here it is 1, so minus 7 root 2 आ जाएगा. And RHS is 4. So tell me whether it's a solution. Both of them are not equal. Therefore, LHS not equal RHS. This implies root 2, 4 root 2 is not a solution of linear equation. Got it? तो अगर कोई भी कोऑर्डिनेट दिया हुआ है एंड यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट कि क्या वो गिवन लीनियर इक्वेशन का सॉल्यूशन है या नहीं, so what will you do? उस कोऑर्डिनेट की वैल्यू you will put it in the linear equation and then you will see LHS and RHS are same or not. अगर सेम है तो वो सॉल्यूशन है, अगर सेम नहीं है then it will not be a solution. Question fourth. Question fourth is find the value of k if x and y values 2 and 1 is a solution of this. अब यहाँ क्वेश्चन में क्या कह रहा है? ये सॉल्यूशन है and you have to find out the value of k. Since x equal 2 and y equal 1 is a solution of 2x plus 3y equal k. So what does it mean? कि जो हमारे पास यहाँ पर x and y वैल्यू दी हुई है that we can put it. Solution है, it means both the sides are equal. So we will put the value of x and y from here. Therefore 2 into x, 2 plus 3 into y equals to k. As it is a solution, जैसे हमने यहाँ किया, अगर वो solution है so LHS and RHS should be equal. Now solve it. 4 plus 3 equal k. So from here k equal 7. So the value of k as 7 here. Is it clear? So second 4.2 exercise, in 4.2 question number 2 and question number 4 type are very important. Question number 2 will be helpful to draw the graph of the linear equation in the coming exercise. Okay, इसको आपको ध्यान से करना है. So in next class we will take 4.3. Thank you and have a nice day.